one question. What is the importance of today? Today, June 5th, is the World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated every year with a different theme. And this year, 2020, the theme is biodiversity. It is now celebrated more than 143 countries. It is popularly known as the People's Day to show our care and consideration to the earth and the environment. First organized in 1974, it has been a major campaign for the environmental issues ranging from marine pollution, human outgrowth, and raising awareness about the global warming, susceptible consumption, and wildlife care. World Environment Day can be celebrated in different ways. Activities such as campaign classification, sensitizing the locals about the growing environmental conditions and suggesting ways to prevent them, conducting rallies, conducting plays or dramas, quizzes, planting trees, lectures, and poster competitions, etc., etc. Our school, Saraswati Vidyaniketan, Elamakara, conducted the World Environment Day last year in an excellent manner. During the prayer time, Deepa Prajwalan was done by our principal, Sri Chandamarashan sir, and Vriksha Puja was done by Dr. Indujudan sir. Now I'll show you some of the photographs taken on that event. Just watch. Thousand saplings were distributed on that day to the students and the teachers. And some of the children sowed the saplings in the school itself. Rallies is conducted with the children and the teachers. Here you can see planting the trees by Dr. Indujudan sir and the principal. This is the front portion of the rally. Here you can see the Vriksha Puja done by the teachers also. This is the students are addressed by Dr. Indujudan sir, and he is giving instructions how to plant because he is an forest officer. Now let me ask you one more question. Why Environment Day is celebrated? My dear children, it is not yours, it is not mine, it is ours. To protect our mother who nourishes us. Dashakupa Samovapi, Dashavapi, Samohrida, Dashahrida, Samoputra, Dashaputra, Samodruma. 10 suns are equal to one tree. I hope now you understood the meaning of the tree plantation. And dear children, today itself, rush your home and sow the plant. Now, I'm going to show you a small film regarding the plant that's saying Maram Oru Varam. It was taken from the YouTube. Just watch and enjoy. Now, I hope you understood the importance of a tree. So all of you say in your mind, Maram oru varam thanne. Thank you very much.